Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I sound so monotone, like hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to create the spring vibe. Figure I'd do something a little spring like a little bit like close to spring, but not all the way out there. But anyway, I paired it up with this green lipstick. I don't know about it, but I actually kind of like it. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. And yeah, I think that's it. Let me roll into the video, okay? Just stay tuned. I'm gonna start by using my first transition color, which is called Tassa. I'm gonna use this color as my first transition color, and I'm gonna put that on my crease and blend. For my transition color, the first one, I like to use something a little bit brighter. So for my second color, I'm gonna go in with this reddish color, and it's called Zara. I'm gonna take that and pack it in my crease, right under where I put the first color. And I'm using a different blending brush. You know, when I start from blending outside and blend all the way inside. And then I'm gonna go back with the first blending brush and kind of blend everything out to avoid any harsh line. And now for my third crease color, I'm gonna use this color, but it doesn't really do anything for my skin tone, but I'm just gonna go ahead. It looks dark, it's like a dark brown, but it really doesn't show up on my skin tone, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it anyway. And I'm gonna put that right on the center of my crease. And of course, you want to go back and blend. And I'm actually blending with the second brush that I used to do my second transition color. I'm gonna go in with the first brush, kind of bring in a little bit light. I feel like I'm dry today. Let's just say I woke up on the wrong side of the bed today, but I wanted to video because this is actually how I let my frustration and anger out, and I actually feel better when I make a video. So this is my therapeutic moment. So for my concealer, I'm going to use my Black Radiance concealer and use this to cut my crease. So after that, I'm going to go in with this brush, my third blending brush, and I'm going to make sure I clean up any mistakes that I made while I was cutting my crease. And then of course I'm gonna go back with my blending brush. Stupid. Okay, for my lid color, this shimmery champagne color right there, it's called Aziza. Place that right on my crease, on my lid crease. Be only crease now. It's a really nice, pretty champagne color. It's really pretty. I love it. I could literally use this as a highlighter. I should. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this green wing liner just to give it that, you know, spring vibe. I'm gonna go ahead and create a thick liner. Everything I use for this makeup is gonna be in the description box down below and my social medias, so go ahead and check it out, and make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna use this white pencil and I'm gonna put that on my waterline. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara. And then with that third blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes. I'll be right back. So I'm just gonna use the same eyeshadow to use as my blush because I forgot to get my blush. So I'm just gonna use that, and I'm gonna use that as my blush. If you got a problem, I don't know. Now time for highlighter. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly highlighter, and it's called Rivera Illuminator. This is how it looked. It cracked, but this is how it looked. So I'm gonna start by setting my face, and I'm using the Clean Color Pro Setting Sealer. Okay, so now we're gonna highlight.